So dear students, we will continue our last lecture for total quality management, and in that we were discussing sigma, Six Sigma and quality management. So with reference to the last lecture, Six Sigma and quality management. What is the importance of Six Sigma? It is one of the strategy which is adopted to work for quality management with more and more quality and with more and more clarity and crystal clear ideas regarding maintaining the quality in production and in services. So Six Sigma is a business management strategy which aims at improving the quality of process by minimizing and eventually removing the errors and variations. The concept of Six Sigma was introduced by Motorola in 1986. Everything we have seen, but just for your reference. What is Six Sigma? It ensures superior quality of products by removing the defects in the process and systems. Correct? So now, what is the role of manager in case of or in maintaining the quality about the products and the services? Now the role of manager. Total quality management is defined as a continuous effort by management to upgrade and improve the process and system to ensure superior quality products. Okay, the goods which are produced are reached to the end user customers or consumers. Now, as I have already told you, the process between the production and after production, the QA/QC department, that is quality management department, work starts. They are ensuring the quality of the product and issuing the certificates of certain documents for the purpose of quality assurance. Now once the quality of the product is assured, then only it is sold in the market or it is reached to the customer. Now every organization has to take care of its customers. Their feedbacks are essential. Total quality management creates processes and systems based on customer feedbacks and various researches which eventually helps in the development of organization. Now, managers play an important role in TQM. Initiating and implementing total quality management programs requires great amount of planning and research, because it is a very tedious and meticulous job. It is not an easy to provide or to what you say submit that kind of document which is going to define you that you are the best, because you are producing the quality goods, you are giving the quality to the customer, to the consumer. Now when the goods are produced, now the final product is ready and the goods has been assured, quality assurance, QA and QC, quality control. Now particularly this department is responsible for the quality of the product. If in case any of the employee who is working, obviously the persons who are working or the appointed employees in that particular department, they are specially related with research and development department. Rather their job is to define, to research or to give the best quality about the product. Now it is again and again why I am discussing, because it is a very responsible kind of work which is made by this particular department. Now managers need to get trained in various TQM practices before implementing the same. These are costs involved with the entire process of total quality management. It is the manager's responsibility to allocate budgets for TQM at the beginning of every financial year, because financial investment, monetary investment is included in this particular process. Okay, assuring and what do you say, delivering certain documents, certain quality assurance is not an easy job. It requires monetary efforts also. So the role of a manager is to act as a facilitator at the workplace. It is your duty to assist employees in implementing TQM, whose manager's responsibility. Now, as a manager, it is the responsibility to select and appoint right individual who can work as a line managers and take charge of the entire project. Okay, the persons who are included in that particular level of the department. Okay, they are like line managers who are responsible for the entire project of total quality management. The employees Select ought to be reliable and and should be capable enough to handle a crucial delegate and should be capable enough to handle a crucial projects like total quality management. Means the appointment or selection for such departmental employees is very difficult job. It is not easy. For that, experienced persons are required. Okay, freshers and initiates who are appointed in this particular department, they take time to learn the things. So the persons who are already working on a as a line managers or who are performing the duties related to total quality management, they are highly responsible for their delegated duties. A manager must communicate the benefits of total quality management to all other members of the organization. Call employees on a common platform and address the benefits and importance of total quality management. Make them understand how successful implementation of total quality management programs would yield high quality products which would not only benefit the organization but also the employees associated with the same. Okay. Final, the result oriented team, we can call them, okay, the persons who are in total quality management. So they are performing a great job. Okay, they are producing the results related to the product. So the role of customer in TQM. Okay, as well as the role of manager at the end user who is their customer and consumer. So their role means their feedback, their review, their reactions are equally important for TQM, or if certain improvements are required for TQM, then the role of customers also makes the difference in maintaining the quality of the product. So total quality management refers to a continuous effort of the management along with the employees of a particular organization to improve the quality of the products and services. So businesses need to emphasize on quality of their products rather than quantity to survive the fierce competition. Okay, to survive in the cutthroat competition in the market, what is to be done? The maintaining the quality of the product, maintenance of the quality, the best quality is the task which is ahead of all the persons in total quality management. Now, customer feedback should be regularly and carefully monitored before formulating any major business strategies. Correct? Understand the needs and demands of the customer. So, total quality management works on a very simple principles. These are the principles. Some of them are the principles. Like customer feedback should be regularly and carefully monitored. Then understand the needs and demands of the customer, because at the end user who to the customer or the consumer, we are calling them as an end user, because the starting end is the production or producing the good, and end user, the produced goods are utilized and used by the end person, and who is that end person? Consumer or a customer. So TQM ensures that employees understand their target customers well before making any changes in the process and system to deliver the superior quality products for better customer satisfaction. Correct? So this is the role of customer. And earlier we have seen the role of manager. Then what is the importance of Six Sigma, which is one of the strategies which is adopted by the total quality management managers. Okay, the top level persons, they are mainly responsible to carry on this particular job. So here we will stop, and we have finished the total quality management topic also. And in the next lecture we will see the another topic, that is stress management and international management. Thank you.